Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the LED lamp light strength in your Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro. And to do this, you'll need to set up your device with Google Home app. I've shown you previously on how to do it. Now let's click on the device, then click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Right here you can see the status light brightness. You can turn it off. Turn it up to low. Or all the way high. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.